Hello friends, I am Meera Gopalakrishnan. I write with pen name Shruti and I am a published author. Seven Woes is my first published work and it was published in 2018. Today I am here with you to share about something that is very close to my heart. Before I start, I want to thank the team of Profound Warriors who has given me this opportunity. So let us begin. I'm a 90s kid who has grown up watching beautiful shows in Doordarshan. The time of हम लोग बुनियाद तलाश चुनौती वागले की दुनिया देख बाई देख the list is endless. The Doordarshan catered to every age group and everyone had something or other to choose from the programs DD offered. The stories were so beautiful that they gave hope to the people who watched it. They broke stereotypes and also ushered in a progressive era without affecting the Indian culture and the family values. So, when liberalization happened and more channels came in, the high school student in me was so happy that I will be able to watch more beautiful stories. But 20 years down the line, I sit here with my dream shattered. Reason? The shows that are currently shown on TV are filled with regressive content, and I am at a loss how people watch it. But alas, I came to realize this is the content that people want to watch, or rather, the people who account for television rating points want to watch. So, now what is television rating point? It is a measurement system based on 47,000 meters kept in some part of the country. We don't know where they are kept, but they decide the fate of what story to be shown on Indian television. Please understand, a country of a million watches on TV a show based on what 47,000 people want to watch. What irony is this? You will ask me how I know about this. See, I had always wondered why no good show run on Indian television. But my academics, my professional life didn't allow me to delve into this topic very deeply. But 7 years back, when my favorite show Ek Hasina Thi shut down, I was so sad that I decided to look into why that show didn't get TRP. And then I came to understand this TRP system that was based on this 47,000 meters. It was a rude shock for me as a television subscriber. Reason? When you pay for a book, you get to read it fully. When you pay for a movie, you get to watch it fully. But when you pay for a television channel or the OTT of the same television channel, you don't get to watch a television show to its logical conclusion because someone else takes the decision on behalf of you. How unfair is this that I cannot decide on what I need to watch? I pay the money, but I should watch what someone else decide. I was like, how can it happen? And it was same for all good stories. Many finite shows had come in Star Plus like Dahli's, uh, POV Bandi Yuddh Ke, Sumit Sambal Lega, um, Everest, but none of these shows could break the Chakravyuha of Indian TRP system. Never matter they were popular abroad and had good international audience. In fact, Ek Hasinati was very successful in United Kingdom. POW Bandi Yuddh Ke won Asian Drama Awards. But these shows were declared flop by the Indian TRP system. So, does 47,000 meters should decide what a viewer should watch? Do they really decide the fate of a show or decide the popularity of a show? I want to talk to you a case regarding a Bepana, a show that closed abruptly in 2018. This show was shut down because it didn't get the required TRP points. But you need to understand, this show won Popular Fiction in Indian Television Academy Award 2018, and it also won its lead male actor Harshad Chopra Best Actor in the Popular category in IT Academy Awards in 2018. Harshad also won AVTA 2018 under Popular category, and its female lead Jennifer Winget won Best Actress in Asian Drama Awards in 2018, which was also decided based on voting. All these awards, the actors and the show got based on the popularity. A show that didn't have TRP. It won in the Popular category. See the irony of the TRP system? Just think how a show that didn't do well in the TRP won the popularity award. The case of Bepana was enough reason to overhaul the TRP system and relook at it. But nothing happened. 3 years have gone by, and once again the history is repeated. This time another show in Star Plus, Mehndi Hai Rajnewali. A beautiful show, a love story of Raghav and Pallavi. It has many progressive thoughts on widow remarriage, ethics in business, second chance for a woman who had premarital relationship and got pregnant, importance of de-addiction, and many such social message. But alas, again the TRP viewers doesn't want this. The show is going to suffer a slot change, and it is getting moved from 6:30 to 5:30. So tell me, my friends, where are we going? Just because wherever these 47,000 meters are kept, they want to watch regressive content and dramas. Should the majority also suffer with it? You need to look at the weekly TRP chart. Except for mythological shows, all the shows in the top 10 has multiple marriages, bride swapping, groom swapping, marital rape, manhandling, gender stereotypes, and all the things that people were fighting against. Indian television has a role in social transformation, but what it is doing currently, it is actually taking away the progress that has made in women empower in the past decades by showing pervasive content. When families demand, they want a daughter-in-law like Gopi Bahu. We need to understand the girls of 21st century cannot be like Gopi Bahu, who sacrifices and suffers domestic abuse. So we need to talk against this. We are television subscribers. We pay money to these channels, and we should demand accountability from these channels for the content they show. They have a mechanism where we get to see the minimum story to its logical end. There has to be a minimum time period where the channel will not interfere in the story writing. Currently, this weekly TRP system is such a way that every week the story is changed and you never get to watch a story that was intended to be shown. That has to stop. We are paying money. So we need to see a story to its logical content. So we need to fight for it and demand that a minimum time period be given for every writer to show their content. Else, this will continue and no story will run, and we will move back to the regressive content again, and our society also will digress into tantrums. And you can also understand that all this violence against women that is happening these days, more than the movies, it is the TV serials that has contributed to this, that has showcased women as a commodity, that is a sacrificing lamb. Indian TV has to get out of its sacrificing mode and need to show the real men and women, which it had showed in the 90s. So friends, if you agree with this message of mine, please comment under this video. Also share this with your friend, as we need to get this message across to as many viewers as possible so that we can bring in a change in the Indian television content. Thank you. This is Meera signing.